Start making money with only a laptop. What if we tell you that you can make money with just a laptop? Yes, in today's era you can do this, and surprisingly from anywhere, as it is only on your laptop. So today, we are showing you how to start making money with a laptop. And if you are curious about more business ideas or money-making tips, don't forget us and subscribe now. Here we go. Freelance writing. You've probably never heard of Bob Bly, but there is a good chance you're envious of his life. Bob Bly has been a freelance writer for over 25 years and currently earns over $600,000 working from home. While you're unlikely to make that much money right away, freelance writing is a fantastic way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Many freelancers can earn hundreds of dollars for a single article if they are well known and have established a name for themselves in their field of expertise. The term freelance writing covers various industries, including sports, entertainment, and business. There will always be a need for writers as long as there is content on the internet, so you can look for jobs in all sorts of places if you want to start working as a freelance writer. Sell online courses. Online courses are extremely profitable and can earn thousands of dollars a month if you know how to create and sell them. Creating an online course can take a significant amount of time and effort. You'll need to plan which topics to cover, how to present that information, and how to market and sell your online course. Many online courses will use videos to help students learn about a topic in greater depth. That may take more time to complete, but it will make your course more valuable and valuable. Marketing an online course is one of the most difficult aspects because you can sell your course in all sorts of different ways, from digital ads, affiliate marketing, and others. Having affiliate partners may be the simplest and quickest way to sell your online course, depending on your circumstances. In addition, you pay them a small percentage of each sale they generate, making selling your course a no-risk proposition. Another popular method is promoting your course to your own audience. This includes having a website and social media followers who may be interested in what you have to say. This method is also free, but comes at the expense of increasing your readership and following. The final method requires capital to get started, but has the potential to be extremely profitable. If you have money to invest, creating Facebook and other online advertisements can be a quick way to sell your online course. You can easily determine whether your advertisements are profitable and making you money. Selling an online course requires a significant time investment up front, but it's a great way to earn money with only a laptop. Some course designers have made millions from their offerings. Start your online business. Steve Gadlin made it big after appearing on the hit TV show Shark Tank to showcase his business and seek investment. Gadlin now owns and operates a website where he sells custom stick figure cartoon cat drawings. He has earned upwards of $300,000 from his business, which would astound almost anyone. Gadlin teaches us an important lesson. He has a special talent for something very unique and managed to turn it into a business. If you have a unique skill that you could result in a product or a service that someone would be willing to pay for, you can also try your hand at starting your own online business. Taking online surveys. Taking short and simple online surveys will not turn you into Warren Buffett, but it is a surefire way to make some extra cash for your evening and weekend enjoyment. These websites hire people from all over the world to complete thousands of different surveys and pay you in a various type of way, from gift cards to reward points to cold hard cash. As you might expect, most online surveys only pay a few dollars for a few minutes of work, but the longer and more in-depth the survey, the more you will be paid. Use microtask websites. You can always use microtask websites if you want to make money with your laptop but don't need a full-time income. These websites pay you to complete short online tasks such as data entry, social media moderation, AI training assistance, and other similar tasks. You can use 3 popular microtask sites. Clickworker is a popular microtasking website that rewards you with PayPal cash for completing various things. Appen. This offers a variety of part-time jobs and microtasking opportunities. Amazon MTurk, a popular Amazon site that pays you in cash or Amazon gift cards. If you want a consistent schedule, go to sites like Appen, but you can always apply to various microtasking sites and cherry pick the highest paying gigs available. Turn your blog into an income stream. Pete Cashmore decided to start a little blog focusing on social media news when he was only 19 years old at home in Aberdeen, Scotland. 10 years later, the same blog has millions and millions of visits per month. Of course, you've probably heard of Mashable. These millions of visits have resulted in an estimated $95 million net worth for Cashmore, and he is one of the world's most influential young entrepreneurs. Blogging has also grown in popularity recently, and many readers are interested in various topics. So if you have a skill or an interest you believe people will be interested in reading about, why not start a blog and see what happens? You never know, you could be the next Pete Cashmere. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants earn a good living while working from home on their laptops or their computers. As a virtual assistant, you'll be responsible for sending and responding to emails, posting on social media, updating website content, and more. It's a simple freelance job that's ideal for newcomers. To find work as a virtual assistant, you must network with website owners and content creators to find those who require assistance. You can also look for work as a virtual assistant on freelance websites like Fiverr. You can make more money as a virtual assistant than you might think. Some virtual assistants earn more than $20 per hour for their services, which isn't a bad wage in and of itself. It's an excellent digital side hustle for making money in your spare time. Earn money by creating a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a lucrative way to make money online. Making money with YouTube videos, like other forms of content creation, can be extremely profitable. To get started with this side hustle, you'll need to decide what topics your channel will cover. There are topics to suit every interest, such as personal finance, fashion, and technology. All of these can be profitable ventures for your channel. Creating YouTube videos can be time-consuming, and you must be somewhat comfortable in front of a camera in order to succeed, but YouTube videos can earn money in all sorts of ways. Affiliate offers and YouTube advertising are the most common. Some channels earn hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, so if you have a laptop and a reliable internet connection, this is a worthwhile side hustle. Kevin's Epic Gardening channel has nearly 2 million subscribers, earning thousands of dollars a month. What do you think of these ways to make money with a laptop? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon. Take care.